can change your mind, you can change your life. Hello everyone, my name is Kapil Rana and I am from Karnal, Haryana. And currently I'm pursuing Masters of Business Administration from one of the most prestigious colleges, that is CGC Landran. And I'm very delighted to announce to you all that recently I have been placed at InfoEdge company, that is Naukri.com, with a package of 5.5 LPA. And if I talk about the placement process, it was held in various rounds, starting from the aptitude test, then followed by group discussion round, and then 2 rounds of personal interviews. And it would have not been possible without the help of the MBA department and especially the TPP department, CRC, and our trainers, who made sure that I was ready for any situation or circumstances that came in my way by continuously conducting mock GDs, mock PIs, and grooming session, which really helped me a lot to upgrade my skills, my knowledge, and my behavior, as the session helped me to practically engage with all my peers and learn a lot. And if I talk about the life at CGC campus, then it provided me with abundance of opportunities, be it core curricular activities or extracurricular activities. To name few events such as CGC MUN, Magnificent Mavericks, and national level Ideathon competition. Organizing and participating in all of these events made sure that I was professionally upgrading myself and it was boosting my confidence as well. And lastly, I would request all my fellow mates and juniors to keep working hard and believe yourself and have faith in the department and the college, and you all will end up in good place. Thank you.